Now for this part of the video, I have donned my holiday chapeau because we're going to assemble our boxes now. These are the boxes that I got at Dollarama, $2 a piece. These are food bags, like goodie bags. And here is our cakes, our cookies, and our jams. Let's get started. Okay, now before we assemble our boxes, we have to assemble our goodie bags. No, Gracie, these aren't for you. I am not going to put a lot in each bag. I'm only putting in 4 cookies in each cookie bag. Right. I'm not doing a lot of baking this year because, you know, we don't need it. All right. Well, let's do our shortbread. And just so you know, folks, Gracie Stomp. These bags and little gift boxes and things I've had for years. In one of the bins in my office. All right. One, 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna tape the top closed. And there's one. These will lay down probably in the box. I know I said these will lay down in the box, but I did have to repackage some of the shortbread into the cellophane bags to make them fit in the box. And again, Howie will be happy that there's cookies left. Let's do our fruit cakes. Now, should I leave them in the tin? No. Alrighty, now we can assemble. Oh, wait, you know what we almost forgot? Tea. Back in the summer, I got a lovely gift of many different kinds of tea from my friends at 4jars.com. So we're gonna add some tea to these boxes. Let's hope we have room. All right, and on each one, we'll just write Love, Bev, and Howie. Drop this in here like this. Try not to tear it. We will put, please let it fit, a fruit cake. Ooh, that was close. Some shortbread. This may not all fit, you know that? And why do we give 4 cookies? Just in case the person you give it to wants to share with someone. Besides, all these bags kind of match too, don't they? Okay, so there is our shortbread. And we'll tuck our snowballs in there. You know what? Let's do it this way. And then we will pop in 3 little itty-bitty jars. Now remember all the tops I cut off of these? All the tops that I cut off the bags are going to wrap these itty bitty jars of jam. Now we'll just tape the bottoms so that they can see the little itty bitty jar of jam inside a little itty bitty bag. So that was blueberry blackcurrant, and we'll be able to just tuck a third one in there. Apple jelly, blueberry blackcurrant. Ooh, my favorite, raspberry rhubarb. There's 3 little jars of jam. We're gonna put in some tea. Bearberry Garden, Festive Grape, and Strawberry Gourmet black tea. And we'll just tuck those in there like little golden bits of surprise. Lovely. And there we go. We just tape them shut. Ready as a gift for anyone at any time. And there it is. 5 Goody gift boxes. These are the 2 larger fruit cakes. I ran out of bags. They wouldn't have fit anyway. So I wrapped them in parchment and then Christmas paper. And 7 other little fruit cakes to have on hand to hand out when company comes by. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Take care, God bless. Special announcement from 4 Jars. The folks at 4 Jars are having a Black Friday sale from 6 p.m. November 24th to the end of the day on the 28th. They're giving you a whopping 30% off, with the exception of already bundled items. Add the coupon code HALF-ACRE for an additional 10% off. That's 40%. Now, if you've not already shopped for the home canner in your life, then this sale is for you. It makes the perfect gift. Remember, November 24th, 6 p.m. to November 28th, the end of the day. 4 Jars canning lids, the only lids I'll use. You can't go wrong with 4 Jars.